Hi, my name is Terry White, and I'm Worldwide Design and Photography Evangelist for Adobe. My job involves delivering presentations worldwide that teach content creators how to use Adobe Creative Cloud solutions. I'm also a professional photographer. When I first saw the new ASUS ProArt Studiobook, the ASUS Dial instantly caught my attention. It's a small rotary controller on the laptop that gives you control over parameters in Adobe Creative apps. I've never seen anything like that on a laptop before. As a content creator, I couldn't help wondering whether it would really be useful. But after using the laptop for quite a while, I'd say it surprised me a lot. First, it's easy to customize your ASUS Dial. Just open the Creator Hub app, and you can choose the app and function you want to control through ASUS Dial. If you're going to use the brush tool to edit an image in Adobe Photoshop, for example, to perhaps do some skin retouching, you can control brush size by slightly turning the ASUS Dial like this. It's the same with brush flow too. Just turn the dial and the photo's quickly touched up. The workflow is very smooth and easy with no more complicated macro keys to remember. Just like in Photoshop, you can control contrast, exposure, saturation, or anything you can think of in Adobe Lightroom Classic. With no awkward slider bars to move for each parameter, your edits with ASUS Dial will be much more efficient and productive. ASUS Dial is ergonomically designed too. There's no need to change the way you use your keyboard. And with just one finger, you can comfortably edit your photos without fatigue. The best thing is that you don't need to carry an extra controller when you're on the go, saving lots of space and hassle. As the Worldwide Design and Photography Evangelist for Adobe, I'm really excited that we've teamed up with ASUS to create such an innovative feature. Editing with the ASUS Dial has really changed my workflow, especially in Lightroom Classic. I love that I can just use the dial to quickly make my edits on the go or at my workstation in studio. Thank you, ASUS, and once again, thank you, Adobe.